Welcome to Sweet Spot. Thanks for watching. I appreciate our loyal and growing audience. Listen, I'm going to try something a little bit different. We're not set up today, as you can see. We are going to be making some gorgeous cupcakes. These and these. I've got a couple tricks to show you with piping bag. But I want to share something first with you. I saw a really cool app for your watch on YouTube. Where else? One of my favorite YouTubers, Peter McKinnon, downloaded this app, but I couldn't find the one he has. Maybe it's not there anymore. But I did find this one. This is called Time Rewind. I just downloaded it. Let's see. It's got 4 stars, but only 11 ratings. That's kind of unusual. Let's see. So you can rewind in time, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, all the way up to 24 hours. But they don't recommend 24 hours. That's kind of dumb. Then why give it? Anyway, let's see. Oh, so there's a tutorial. Press swipe and then you can count down and let's try it. All right. Oh, countdown. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 wow. Oh, ow, ow, that hurts a little bit. Ow, whoa, time rewind. This is, ow, ooh. I don't think we went anywhere. We didn't go anywhere. We're here. We're right here. Wow. Okay, if successful, you can complete tutorial by pressing one more time. Oh, all right, 3, 2, 1. Ow! Wow, that is wild. That's wild. Wow. Ow. Ooh, that's, I don't know if I like that. Ooh, ow. Ooh, it tingles. That's pretty cool. Time rewind. This thing really works. Hey, let's make some cupcakes. Music. We're making a simple but wonderfully delicious vanilla cupcake. The basis for this recipe is a 1, 2, 3, 4 cake batter. It's a pretty simple formula. 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, and 4 eggs. Hence, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make half a recipe, so we're aiming for about 18 cupcakes. Let's get started. We want to cream the butter and sugar. Properly creaming the butter and sugar is important. Room temperature butter makes the process go so much more quickly. The result is a light and fluffy mixture, really light and yellow color. Next in, 2 eggs, room temperature. And pour in the vanilla. Add the baking powder to the cake flour and give it a light toss. Next, we want to mix in the milk and the flour, alternating milk, flour, 2 additions. So half the milk to begin with. And mix. Scrape down the bowl as necessary. And now half the flour mixture. Mix on slow speed to avoid the puff of flour. Scrape the bowl and add the remaining milk. And finally, add the remaining flour mixture. And slow speed. Cupcake batter, cupcake pan, cupcake wrappers. To fill the cupcake liners, you could use an ice cream scoop. You could use a spoon. You could fill each one and weigh them to make sure they're exactly the same. I'll eyeball with a spoon. Fill these about halfway. And into a 350-degree oven. Check at 20 minutes. The cupcakes are out of the oven, and while they're cooling, we're going to make a classic chocolate frosting. It's one of my favorites. We start with cocoa, and over that we pour melted butter. And we give that a quick stir. In with the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla. We want to mix this on a slow to moderate speed. Three hot tips for you. Number one, never mix icing on a high speed. It fills it with air and just makes it difficult to work with later. Number two, if the icing is too soft and runny, it will run off your cupcakes. Nobody wants that. Simply add powdered sugar, sifted powdered sugar, a teaspoon or two at a time to make sure it doesn't get too thick. Number three, if it's too thick, add a little bit of milk, a little bit at a time. We've got our cute little cupcakes here all ready to go. Simply get an offset spatula, put a dab of icing on it, and twirl it around. I don't go to the edges on this, just so it's a little bit of cupcake. And then a swirl on top. Lovely. An everyday cupcake. You know, we should have made this a little more festive. It is one of my favorite cupcakes, and it is one of my favorite icings. Let's go back in time. 2 minutes, I'd say. And swipe. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, 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 that is wild. I love this. It hurts though. A little bit like electrical shock. Ooh. Hey, we have our lovely little cupcakes. We have one of my favorite icings. Let's pipe something a little festive. Piping bag, tip and coupler. The tip is an open star. It's a number 21. Dab in the middle. Sweet. Please, pretty little vanilla cupcakes with a chocolate frosting. Certainly an understated cupcake as far as cupcakes go. No pop and wow and a little bit of zing. You know, we could have done that. We could have done a pop and wow, little bit of zing cupcake. We actually can do that. We can rewind. Let me do that. About 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, ow, oh, ow, oh, this time rewind thing is killing me. So the cupcakes are cooling. We're going to make some buttercream, Misty's buttercream. This is an internet sensation that is really kept a secret. I've never shared this recipe with anyone, so you're first. There's nothing magical about Misty's buttercream except its magical taste. We start with shortening and butter. Cream this well. I almost forgot, and this would not have been tragic, but we need to add a pinch of salt. Again, nothing really special here. Pound of powdered sugar. Sifted. Vanilla. And maybe this is the secret. Heavy cream. Not sure, but this, oh, I love Misty's. Slow speed to avoid the sugar cloud. Same hot tip as before, do not mix this on high to avoid bubbles in the buttercream. The buttercream's ready to go. The cupcakes are naked and ready to be decorated. I'm going to share a secret. Put a few tablespoons of buttercream into a separate bowl. Then pick a color, any color. Add a few drops of food coloring. I prefer gel. And stir. Cut the tip off of a piping bag, no coupler here, with a large closed star icing tip. Slip that into the bag, tip side down. It'll look like this. Fold the top of the bag over itself a little bit. Using a butter knife or thin-edged spatula, you want to put a stripe down the bag. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just a thin stripe down one side of the bag. Then fill the rest of the bag with the white icing, trying not to disturb the stripe. And we end up with a striped bag. Close the bag, working out as much of the air bubbles as you can. Then do a practice swirl or two. Perfect. Take a cupcake, dab in the middle, and swirl around. Take a cupcake, dab in the middle, and then swirl around. Very pretty. Wow, this was an easy video. It feels like we just started. Maybe those rewinds helped. Let me grab one of these for my favorite part, the taste test. They really are pretty, and this wasn't a lot of work. Not sure the best way to eat this. I'm going to try some of the icing first. I love Misty's. There really is something magical about it. So if you look for the recipe on the internet, you won't find it, but you will find it, and the recipe for the cupcake, and whatever I rewound. You'll find them on the link under the comments in YouTube. So let's try this. The cake is moist. The icing, I love Misty's icing. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. I can't stand really rich, just powdered sugar icing, even though that's what a lot of this is. Maybe the pinch of salt, the right ratio of the fats. I'm not sure what. It's good. The cake is super moist. This is a great combo. This is a super combo. You know, I wish I had a chocolate cupcake to taste. I really do. But I'm not going to rewind to go get them. That's the rewind thing. While it works, it hurts a little bit. This is a really great combo. If you enjoyed this episode, give us a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Love to hear your feedback in the comments. This is it for Sweet Spot. I think I'm going to rewind to 7th grade. I didn't do well on that algebra test. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, I think my battery died. How do I get back? Hello? 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 Hello?